Hello and welcome, Divya this side. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about our passion and purpose in this life and a very easy way of doing it. I am going to walk you through a very simple yet very powerful exercise that you can do to find your purpose, and this should take you ideally 30 to 40 minutes to complete. What I am going to talk about and teach you today is a Japanese concept called Ikigai, which means purpose of existence. So, are you ready? By the end of the video, you'll not only be able to find your purpose, but also find a way of earning money by pursuing your passion. So, stay tuned till the end of the video. And if you're ready, go grab a pen and a paper and we're gonna just start. So, in order to find your Ikigai, you need to draw 4 quadrants just like I have drawn here. You need to label the first quadrant as what I love doing. Label the second quadrant as what am I good at. Label the third quadrant as what can I get paid for, and the fourth one as what the world needs. So you need to label these 4 quadrants as what I love doing, what am I good at, what can I get paid for, and what does the world need. And when you do that, we are going to fill them one by one, and I suggest that you watch my video on self-awareness before you start filling in all of your quadrants, because self-awareness is really important for you to be able to find your Ikigai. So, start filling the first quadrant with things that you absolutely love doing. It may or may not be related to your profession, and you may not even be doing that on a daily basis, but whenever you do it, you just absolutely love doing it. So I'm going to help you fill this first quadrant. You can ask yourself a few questions in order to be able to fill this first quadrant. What is it that I love? The first question is, what is it that makes my heart sing? Or another question, what is it that I never get tired of doing? Or another question, if there were no norms or society or rules, what would I have been doing? It could range from anything like singing, writing, having meaningful conversations with people, or anything which you absolutely love doing. Don't go into analysis and paralysis, just write down what you love doing, alright? And once you are done filling the first quadrant, we're going to move to the second quadrant, which is what am I good at? So in order to fill this quadrant, you can ask yourself, what is it that I am naturally good at? Or what is it that naturally comes to me? Or what is it that I have got skilled into doing? Or what is something that I would want to learn to do? Alright. It could be anything like I want to learn writing short stories, or I am good at writing short stories, or I am good at guiding people, I am amazing at composing music, or anything like that. So you need to write in the second quadrant what are the things that you are already good at doing or you would want to learn doing. Now coming on to the third quadrant, which is what can I get paid for. Now in this quadrant you need to write what is it that you know and you can get paid for doing. It could be anything like copywriting, sales page writing, or singing at parties, or coaching, or training, or anything. The idea is to write things that you know and you can get paid for doing those, alright? Now moving on to the last quadrant, which is what does the world need? In this quadrant, you need to write what are the things that people around you need or have a great demand of. You can't and you don't have to think about the entire world per se. Just take your awareness to your immediate surroundings, to your immediate people, community and society, and have an awareness of what is it that they require or have a great demand for. So some of the questions that you can ask yourself in order to fill this quadrant is, what is it that the world needs right now? Or what is it that I have and I can give to the world all right, or something that the market has a great demand for. So it could range from things like people need guidance, given this COVID situation, people need a therapist. There is requirement for sales page writers, there is need for musicians, there is need for therapists or doctors or something like that. What is it that the world needs? And now comes the fun part, alright? I'm gonna tell you the fun part of this whole thing right now. In order to find your Ikigai, what do you need to do is look for things that are common in all of these 4 quadrants. So let's try and have a look at this. So writing short stories, copywriting, and sales page writers. Alright? So this becomes your Ikigai. You love writing and you can get paid for copywriting. You are good at writing short stories and the world needs sales page writers. So it could be just the same thing that you would find in all the 4 quadrants, or it could be at least in alignment with it. Okay, let us try and find something more. Having meaningful conversations, alright. So having meaningful conversations, coaching, guidance, and guiding people. Alright. So this is something which is in alignment with each other. So somebody who is who loves having meaningful conversations, who can get paid for coaching, who is good at guiding people, and there is also a need for guidance. So they could enter into an industry of training and coaching or teaching or something like that. So the whole idea is to find things that are common or are in alignment in all of the 4 quadrants, and then you write your Ikigai. Now, writing is my Ikigai, which is your passion, and you can convert it into your profession. Do you want to know why so many people can't find their passion and purpose in this life, and why are we always stuck in doing that? Finding our passion in this way is easy, isn't it? It is always simple. Finding your passion is easy. It is a natural calling that comes from within. You will always be guided to do that one thing, but believing that your passion is a problem. People really know that it is their passion, but because there are challenges involved in pursuing it, they tend to drop it, saying that it can't be my passion. No one ever said that your passion has to be easy or it will be easy. Of course, there will be a natural calling from within and you will be guided on steps to pursue it, but it doesn't have to be easy. Do you want to know what makes perfect recipe for success? I'm going to tell you a small story. We all learn better with stories, isn't it? Very small story, but very powerful one. So this is the story of Nikola Tesla. Yes, the same physicist who invented alternating current, Nikola coil and induction motor. So Nikola from a very young age was able to perform integral calculus in his head, which prompted his teachers to think that he was cheating. So he completed a 4-year term in 3 years in 1873. So Nikola had to return in 1873 back to his home because his father wanted him to enter into priesthood, which he absolutely didn't want. He wanted to be an engineer. Okay. So shortly after coming back to his home, he contracted cholera. He was bedridden for 9 months and experienced several near-death experiences by that time. And then, in utter despair, his father said, if you are able to recover from this misery or this illness, I am going to send you to an engineering college, best engineering college. And there he was. Not even 6 months, he miraculously healed himself completely from his illness and got admission into Austrian Polytechnic. The rest of the miracles that he created by pursuing his own passion, we all know about that. So, the idea is to tell you that there will always be challenges. There will always be family members, friends and peer group who will be trying to protect you from taking risks but it is always you and your magical subconscious mind that can make miracles happen, and that can take you from here to wherever you wish to go. So this was all from my side today. And note, passion has power, but it takes perseverance too. Please press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked it. Share with your friends who you think might be benefited from this. Happy realizing your passion. Love and freedom from my side.